screen recorder programs are great for all sorts of stuff such as teaching, streaming, gaming, B-roll, videos, and much more. In this video, you will learn about 5+ screen recording programs that can do all of this, which also comes with sound and webcam recording at the same time. So you can have your voice on the background and have yourself shown on the little screen like you've seen on other YouTubers doing so while playing games. Each of these programs serve either similar or different purposes, which I'm going to explain in a minute. But before that, if you haven't already done so, please follow me on Instagram and other social media platforms where I bring all sorts of tips for you which you may not always see in here.
Hi, what's up? This is the Tech Girl 007 here, teaching you all about the tech, whether they're tech issues, reviews, tutorials, unboxing, and much more, and that all in one right here on this channel.
Right, so first things first. The first program that I'm going to be talking about is something called FreeTime. This is a simple screen recorder that doesn't require much computer space and can simply be downloaded from the website. Link to all the programs shown will be on the description box below, and also some of the gears that I use to make it easy for me to film my YouTube videos smoothly for different scenarios. The good thing about this app is that after recording, you can edit the video immediately afterwards without having to use an external editing software, as the editing is built into the program. And not only that, but also uploaded straight onto YouTube, which saves you tons of time. But however, the downside to this is that you can only save it as 760p. There's also a pro version to this which gives you more features such as recording your webcam, annotating areas on the screen, add transitions, and also save as 1080p and much more. To download this program, simply go onto the website, enter your email address, click on download, and that should get you started. The second one on the list is called Xbox Game Bar. Right, this program comes with Windows 10 itself, so you don't need to do any sort of downloading for it. And as the name suggests, it's best for gaming. Like FreeTime, it also doesn't have any watermark after exporting and can record internal or external sounds. So that's the sound from the game as well as your voiceovers. And since it's meant for gaming, you can use it to share games with friends, get them to join you, have voice chats with them like how you do on your PS4, make a profile of yourself, and be able to view your friend's profile, interact with them however you want. So this is really great. However, besides all the good stuff, there's one thing not many people have mentioned about this program when I was researching about it, is that it doesn't record your desktop. And if you click on the desktop or maybe minimize all the screen on your computer, then the recording will stop automatically once the desktop has appeared. There are also so many things that you could do on the settings of this program to enhance your gaming experience, such as use the dark mode and much more. To get started, go onto your computer, go to the left hand side of the screen where you have the Windows icon, click on there, search for the name Xbox Game Bar, then it should come up immediately. Now in here, you can record the screen by just pressing on the record button, and that's it. Now on to the third one. And here the program is called Icecream. I know it's a funny name, but it's a really good program. It's great and powerful, and one of my favorite too. That not only come with a lot more features with the free version, but also is great for teachers who would like to show or demonstrate a presentation for his or her pupils. It allows for screen annotation not only by writing notes on the screen, but also does things like add text, shapes to screen recording, or screenshots where needed. On the other hand, it has the capability to record full screen 3D games with your PC screen recorder. Record screens with a webcam overlay, also able to record a screen with webinar, streaming, videos, and much more. You name it. This is basically similar to FreeTime, but the advanced version. It does, however, have a downside, which is recording for only 10 minutes. But you can always purchase the full version or the Pro version if you needed more screen recording time. Otherwise, as a little hack, what I would do is when the first 10 minutes finished, I would immediately start a new recording. But this trick will not work if you're recording a continuous or live webinar, as you will lose some bits in between stopping and restarting the recorder. But otherwise, it's great. And the last point to be noted on this program is that recently they have changed their options and will only allow for 5 minutes screen recording, and also that this has watermark with the free version. But I'm sure you should be able to remove the watermark using your editor. So that way you don't have to worry about the watermark. And about removing watermark using your editor, I do have a video that I will link on the cards and on the description box below that shows you guys how to remove watermark in your editors. By the way, at any point in the downloading process, if you encounter a problem such as the app you're using or trying to install isn't a Microsoft verified app, you can solve this issue by going on to the Windows icon again, go on to the settings, then click on apps, and here on the top right hand side click on anywhere, and that should allow you to download the program. Okay, so the next one and the fourth one is called OBS. This is a very popular program used by many live streamers for gaming, teaching, recording screen, and much more. When you first see the interface, it can be quite tempting as you need to get used to it to be able to use it. So comment below if you'd like a tutorial on any of these programs, which I could do in another video. The great thing I personally like about this program is the ability to remove background, which is known as chroma key. If you must have seen some YouTubers or Twitch users have themselves recording their face as well as the screen, but without their background showing. This is the program that they use usually, if you ever wondered. Oh, and by the way, if you do want a tutorial on chroma key, I do have a tutorial for Filmora 9, and I'll put it on the card at the top right hand side of this video, and also will have the link on the description box below. Some of the other programs I've used to record screens are programs such as Cam Studio, Filmora 9, and APowerSoft. If you're already using Cam Studio and have the usual issue that pops up, I have a tutorial on that as well, so grab it on the cards or on the description box below. On a usual basis, I use Filmora 9 to record my screen as it's just built into my editor, and I do have tons of tutorials on Filmora 9, which you'll also find on the cards above and on the description box below.
Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that I helped you in some ways. If you're a new viewer, I would love to have you on here and hope that you subscribe and press on that bell icon. However, if you are a returning subscriber, please share the word by liking and sharing this video. Oh, and by the way, I do have some videos on the description box of this video, and all of my playlists listed are there as well. Take care.